Afternoon, guys, and I'm giving you guys the weather update for this afternoon. It is currently what time it is? It is 9:58 in the morning, about to 2 minutes before the noontime. There is a severe thunderstorm warning in effect for parts of Brooks County, northern Hidalgo, northeastern Star, all of Jim Hall County, all covered under severe thunderstorm warning, and also parts of northeastern Zapata County. That will in effect until, if I give you the timing, at around 12:30 p.m. That's where the warning will expire. But however, this is a massive line of thunderstorm. It's about to head to the south and east towards the valley, and this is a potent thunderstorm, which is giving us the instability down over here, contributing towards the main part of the storm. Already impacting areas like Encino, Guerra. You are under this heavy rain. Also, constant amount of lightning, which is around 500 strikes and positive strikes into negative. So altogether, we're probably over 1,000. That's what we're seeing up in radar level. But this is suggesting for some pretty good winds. Checking Corpus Christi radar just to give you just an idea. Wow, this is a real wind. And look at this. You're seeing now up to 55 miles an hour, and some of this are making it to the ground. Um, on the surface, low level is already at 70 miles an hour, which is almost hurricane force wind that is already impacting with this thunderstorm. Over is about to get out of there. You're just about out of there. Look, Serena, you're right in the middle of this severe thunderstorm, up to 60 miles an hour. But a lot worse. We used to have winds up to 100 miles an hour, and that it's part of the coast of Kennedy County, moving offshore towards the Gulf of Mexico. But that has been weakened significantly, other than the one in Furious and in Kennedy County, heading southward towards Willacy, and some of this can make it up to Cameron County. Some of this right over here can make it up to Cameron County within the next half an hour or so, as this continues moving towards the south and southeast. But over there is just the beginning. It's just about to contribute from Zapata to Heavenville, southern part of Jim Hall County, northern Star, or western, moving southeast towards obviously the Rio Grande Valley. Rio Grande City, McAllen, you got about an hour left to get ready because this is about to be potent. It's about to be dangerous. Please have your trash cans into the side of your home so that the wind will be blown down because after that will be a lot of mess. You need to you need to get everything secured at the moment. And there is some a little bit of hail, not like the one that we seen last Friday, because last Friday was like an isolated supercell, and that came from Jim Hog all the way to McAllen, reaching basically ending up in around areas of San Fernando. Well, that has died, but still, this is a much worse storm that is already producing winds up to 60 miles an hour. This is just the worst storm we ever seen in a long time. And also, we talked about the the enhanced risk that we're at right now. It's already been since 2006. That was the last time that we've seen an enhanced risk that size, which is stretched from Laredo all the way to Brownsville. That's what we don't see every day, even since we just last seen in 2006. This is still a lot stronger than we've seen, and this is a very good bow echo moving straight to the south. Normally those goes to the east, but this one came from with a cold front at 50 degrees northward, and right over here is around 70 to 80 degrees down in the valley. Still has yet to come over there, but that's about to change. So get get to a set place. If this approaches your area, if you see darkening skies, if you see lightning, if you hear thunder, then get in your safe place right now, but not now until the storm approaches your area. You might get the warning first, then get to a safe place. Don't be in an open area. Worst place to be there, and you must well do that until this threat is over. So now we're gonna move to the Spanish translation with Alan Silva, our well-known buddy from back in those years. All right, Ivan. Alan, to just tell us what you got.
Hola, muy buenas tardes. Aquí nos encontramos en Facebook, aquí transmitiendo en vivo. Probablemente este video se suba a YouTube, en el canal de YouTube, en el de SPC Rio Grande Valley o en FrankyShow64. Eh, Aquí estamos con el tiempo severo del Severe Weather aquí en Brownsville. Aquí les vamos a presentar el radar, que como las tormentas se están extendiendo en todo el valle, poco a poco se están extendiendo en todo el valle. Las tormentas severas ya están ya recorriendo pues prácticamente Kennedy, Brooks, Jim Hawk y Zapata. Unas cuantas tormentas aquí en México se están desarrollando. Estas probablemente se vayan a juntar aquí en el condado de Starr, en el condado de Jim Hawk, de Brooks y de Hidalgo. Estas tormentas son extensas porque pues ya que la National Weather Service pronosticó un enhanced risk. Un enhanced risk quiere decir que es una categoría fuerte de tormentas. Aquí como podemos ver se acaba de poner un enhanced risk aquí en el valle. Es muy raro para Brunswick, Hardinshire, Mission, Far, Edinburgh, McAllen, muy raro. Pero probablemente estas tormentas tengan un 2% de tornado, un poco. Lo que sí es muy severo es de que tengan vientos fuertes de hasta 80 millas por hora y de granizo un 15%, no mucho, pero sí. Estas tormentas más que nada, el peligro es el viento. Y como podemos ver aquí en Corpus Christi, se está detectando una tormenta muy fuerte, severa, o sea, con vientos huracanados de hasta 80 millas por hora, equivalentes a unos 140 kilómetros por hora en kilómetros. Y probablemente pues esta tormenta se vaya hacia la costa y no afecte en ciudades costeras. Bueno, ya está saliendo de Corpus Christi, pero esto va hacia el mar, pero es muy fuerte esta tormenta. Sin embargo, todas se están juntando y todo este conjunto de tormentas se van a juntar. Van a bajar a McAllen, a Edinburgh, a Elsa, Rainbowville, Harlingen, Brownsville, Port Isabel, South Padre Island, Rio Grande City. Están cubriendo todo el valle. Van a afectar en todo el valle. Probablemente, repito, estas tormentas contienen mucho viento. Mucho viento. Y pues sí. Se esperan que estas tormentas se estén arribando en la frontera tamaulipeca, en el norte de Tamaulipas, en Matamoros, Reynosa, Ciudad Mier, Miguel Alemán. Nuevo Laredo ya está fuera del área porque ya el frente frío ya cruzó Nuevo Laredo y pues ya está fuera de peligro ya. Ahora el peligro está repito, en Matamoros, en Reynosa, en Río Bravo, en Miguel Alemán, en Ciudad Mier y en Nueva Ciudad Guerrero. Esas son las ciudades fronterizas de Tamaulipas. Del otro lado de la frontera es Brownsville, Weslaco, McAllen, Far, Mission, Rio Grande City, Roma, Escobar, Zapata. Sí, son muchas ciudades las que puede afectar este otro. Harlingen, Edinburgh. Y, y así que pues estemos pendientes. Así que pues aquí estoy con mi amigo FrankyShow64. Aquí me está presentando el radar desde la televisión. Y aquí yo estoy presentando el radar en la computadora. Así que eso es todo, hay que estar pendientes. Estas tormentas, repito, tienen mucho viento, así que pues pueden tumbar árboles, pueden volar techos de lámina, muchas cosas. Así que estemos pendientes y hasta la próxima. Double header.
¿Dices para español?
No, es en inglés.
Oh.
The National Weather Service in Brownsville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Kennedy County in deep South Texas, southern Jim Hogg County in deep South Texas, Hidalgo County in deep South Texas, Stark County in deep South Texas, northwestern Cameron County in deep South Texas, southern Brooks County in deep South Texas, Willacy County in deep South Texas, southeastern Zapata County in deep South Texas, until 1:00 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:16 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 38 miles east of Kennedy County wind farms to near Rudolph to 7 miles west of Santa Catarina to 7 miles west of Falcon Dam, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Edinburgh, Zapata, Rio Grande City, Raymondville, Roma, Elsa, Ed Couch, Santa Rosa and Lyford. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
All right, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. So we're actually updating a severe thunderstorm warning that now includes parts of Kennedy County, southern Brooks County, southern Jim Hall County, most of southern Zapata County, into Starr County, and pretty much more the more central part of Vidal County into Woodley County. This warning is now for you, which includes 70 miles an hour wind gusts, and, and that's about it. Just 70 miles an hour wind gusts. Oh, look at that really good wind signature. Already forecasting 70 miles an hour up in radar level, but some of this can make it to the ground very quickly as it heads into Port Mansfield. Well, the rest of Vidal County is looking quieter for now, nonetheless. So this is a really good band of thunderstorm. It is just knocking on your door, Raymondville. So those of you in Raymondville, please take cover now, because this is already moving towards your way, and you're about just within 6 miles away. No problem that in 10 minutes you're about to be swept by at least some 60 to 70 miles an hour wind gusts. And this could very well happen in Raymondville, Willamar, into Lyford, Santa Monica, and Sebastian, and very much into Port Mansfield. If you all are in the water in the harbors of Port Mansfield fishing, time for you all to get in your safe place in your vehicle until all of this severe weather threat is already over. Wait 30 minutes after this passes towards you. Now, in the western side, there's nothing much going on. Besides, there is a couple of strong cells. These are not severe, but these could become severe very momentarily as it goes into an unstable environment for winds. Check on the miles an hour. There is nothing really strong going on, but yeah, this is just basically some non-severe winds, but still this could very well be severe and within a few minutes. 10 to 15 can strengthen up as this moves towards the south and southeast. Uh, but again, let's check how much miles are we away from the storm. So there is 18 miles away from the storm, and there's Edinburgh around 50 miles. So again, this is moving at 50 miles an hour. So within 30 minutes, this will go through, and obviously there is a tremendous amount of lightning from basically 158 miles, and that is a significant line that stretches all the way to the Gulf of Mexico, just offshore Corpus Christi. More concerned about this area now. Again, we're under a 2% chance of a tornado, and a significant risk of more than 70 miles an hour, at least a 30 to 40% chance of this happening. Always keep an eye on the weather. Check on the skies because this outflow boundary, it is going rocking and roll. Oh, excuse me for the fall drawing, but this is looking serious. And this is the outflow boundary that is pushing all of that wind, and this is coming in a very strong way as all of this are moving towards the south at around 50 miles an hour. Could be a little bit faster than that. When it reaches McAllen, there's 70 miles an hour gusts. And Penny-sized hail, it is possible with these thunderstorms. This is affecting Edinburgh. So Edinburgh, Rio Grande City. Where's Rio Grande City? It's right over here. Rio Grande City, Zapata, San Manuel, Raymondville. Not yet to Harlingen, McAllen. So if you see this blue line right here, this warning is not for you. Below this line, above this line, this warning is for you because all of this is moving towards the south at a really good clip. 50 miles an hour, that is fast. So Edinburgh, you only have about 20 to 25 minutes before these storms get into you. McAllen, you're about 5 more minutes. So within 30 minutes, y'all are under this big wind. Same goes with Harlingen, Brownsville. You got more time left. You only got about like 45 minutes, and this will get through you. But this is a very big band of showers and thunderstorms, and these are above the severe criteria really, really badly. And now it's already you're just in the right on the edge, Raymondville. You're at the 60 miles an hour. It is ugly over there, and that goes with Kennedy as well. So these can extend. These can extend within just barely when it reaches Edinburgh McAllen. All of this will contribute from this band to the south and west, dealing with those 60 miles an hour gusts and potentially higher across Cameron County and the southeastern Hidalgo County. So this is your weather update for this time. I'm going to switch to the Spanish translation with Ellen Silva. What you got, Ellen Silva?
Hola, muy buenas tardes. Aquí estamos de regreso. Aquí, informando sobre el tiempo severo, el severo weather, así en inglés. Bueno, de nuevo aquí regresamos al radar. Aquí nos guiamos por el radar. Aquí las tormentas siguen avanzando hacia el sur. Vienen desde el norte, ya están cruzando todo el valle, ya están bajando, ya están en el condado de Hidalgo, en el condado de Starr, en el condado de Willacy, de Kennedy. Bueno, ya están saliendo del condado de Kennedy, pero ojo aquí se está mostrando
All right, guys, go
la
in.
tormenta,
We're
una
going inside.
tormenta muy, pero muy
All right,
fuerte
guys,
aquí.
you got that? Guys.
Y
So
aquí en
let's go
Rudolph
here.
se está mostrando muy fuerte
Go in. So
la
let's stop.
tormenta.
Come on, come
El
on.
viento
Over there.
aquí se está
I'll bring you guys food,
concentrando
okay?
mucho. Bueno, aquí el viento me lo muestra, bueno, aquí mediante el radar me lo está detectando de 70 millas a 80 millas. Es muy intensa esta tormenta. Esta parte de la tormenta es muy intensa, tiene vientos potencialmente catastróficos, muy peligrosos. Y bueno, no catastróficos, peligrosos. Son de 80 millas, equivalentes a de un tornado, F1, F0, pero pues están avanzando hacia el sur. Se espera que llegue a Harlingen en cuestión de unos 20 minutos o 30 minutos.
No, no, no.
Así
Come
que
on.
pues ya está bajando la línea de tormentas. Son una extensa línea de tormentas que están bajando ya en todo el valle. Se espera que en Edinburgh afecte esta tormenta. Ya la alerta acaba de abarcar Edinburgh, Elsa, Citrus City, Alton, Fayetteville, Lynn, Hardin, Mountain Alto, Sebastian, Lyford, Raymondville, Willamar, San Perlitan, Santa Mónica, Río Hondo. Ya está a punto de llegar a Harlingen. Ya no tarda en emitirse otra tormenta severa. Y aquí en el lado de la frontera chica, en el condado de Starr, la alerta llega por Rio Grande City, Santa Cruz, Roma Creek, Escobars, Rosita, North Escobars, Roma, Los Saints, Fronton, Falcon Dam, Salineno, Falcon Village, Nuevo Falcon. Ya, esta alerta es muy extensa. Repito, estas tormentas tienen vientos fuertes, granizo aislado, pero es más el viento. Eso sí, no se descarta un tornado porque sí, estas tormentas están presentando un poco de rotación. Y pues bueno, ¿qué hay para el norte de Tamaulipas? En la frontera tamaulipeca. Lo mismo, también la tormenta, aunque los avisos de la noche no Weather Service no abarcan en la frontera de México, como quiera, pues cuenta. Pero pues yo como quiera lo voy a mencionar. Para Matamoros se espera la tormenta de Corpus Christi. La parte de la tormenta de Corpus Christi se espera que arriba aquí en Matamoros, en Río Bravo, en Valle Hermoso, en San Fernando, en cuestión de media hora, una hora. Y la tormenta de aquí, de la que está en McAllen, porque pues unas son más fuertes, otras no. Aquí en el condado de Hidalgo se espera que lleguen las tormentas hacia Reynosa, hacia Baladeces, el poblado de Baladeces, en Díaz Ordaz, Camargo, Miguel Alemán, Los Guerra, el poblado de Los Guerra, y en Nueva Ciudad Guerrero. Se espera que estas tormentas arriben. Bueno, estas tormentas de México se están moviendo hacia el oeste. Estas son nuevas tormentas que están haciendo. Estas son más probables que afecten en 15 minutos en Nueva Ciudad Guerrero, en Zapata. Y sí. Así que mucho cuidado, estas tormentas pueden tumbar árboles, pueden volar techos de lámina, son muy peligrosas. Repito, estamos en Enhanced Risk, en la categoría de tormentas severas, y aquí estamos. Aquí me encuentro con mi amigo FrankyShow64. A ver, déjenme de los presento. Saluda, Frankie.
Oh, hola, hola amigos, hello friends. Keep it
Okay.
severe weather. Y aquí por tenemos las tormentas severas en lo que damos, ¿ok? Te damos la información, y aquí estamos en pendiente de ustedes.
Ok, excelente. Bueno, nos vemos. 5.
Good afternoon. We'll give you a severe weather update. There is a new severe thunderstorm warning in effect for south for southern Willoughby County, southeastern Hidalgo County, and all of Cameron County, including the coast, Port Isabel into South Padre Island. It's in effect until giving you the time until 1:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. But this is all moving towards the south and east. Most of the intense winds it appears to be over Raymondville and into Port Mansfield, already about to approach the Raymondville area, already hitting massive wind into 60 to 65 miles an hour. Leading edge, that is more likely like a 70 to 80 miles an hour gust. The one over here, the one in dark blue, that is a significant wind. Easy 100 miles an hour gust as we speak. So if you're in Willamar and Santa Monica, you are in danger because this is coming towards the south and east. Port Mansfield, you're about to get those the severe weather gusts up to 70 miles an hour. This is a significant wind. And look at Edinburgh and McAllen. There's nothing yet, but the wind is already picking up as we speak. You can feel the outflow boundary. The thunderstorm winds are here. Oh my goodness, the thunderstorm winds are here. So you can start to feel the winds right now, gusting over 40 miles an hour. And again, this warning is for you. Harlingen, Weslaco, Elsa, Sebastian, Brownsville, all this area, San Benito. They're inside still. They're inside. They're inside. I'm smart enough to do that. No, there's no need to, dude. There's no need to. No hail. No hail. Just the wind. That's why we got an enhanced risk. So, that's a significant thunderstorm, and it's already moving towards the south. Let's check the echo tops real quick. Still at around 30 to 40,000 feet. But again, the strongest one are in the northeastern part of Willoughby County and the southeastern Kennedy. That's reaching up to 50,000. Strong indicator that there is a lot of wind in there, besides the hail from last Friday. But still, this is a supercell bow echo indeed. And this is our location. There is the alpha boundary. It's so strong that it knocks down the northern fences and pulls it down there. As this storm moves through, you're talking about a strong wind gust up to 60 miles an hour impacting parts of Edinburgh, McAllen. Possibility there. But again, the chances, it's high for an enhanced risk weather-wise. Monte Alto, Weslaco, Muniz, Elsa into San Juan. You guys could also be involved with the 60 miles an hour wind gust very, very shortly. But again, the biggest wind, it has to be in Ravenville into Sebastian, Harlingen. You all are under this massive wind. Brownsville, be prepared. Harlingen, be prepared. This storm is coming your way, and in a very fast pace. This ain't, my goodness. But it's coming. It's coming. So get to the same place. Harlingen, especially Harlingen into Brownsville. Head into your same place right now. I'm going to move it to Alan Silva.
Ok. Hola, muy buenas tardes. Aquí nos encontramos de regreso en una nueva actualización. Ya se acaba de actualizar el tiempo severo. Aquí vamos al radar. Aquí con mi amigo FrankyShow64. Aquí está. Saluda, Frankie. In English.
Hola. Hola.
Ok. Te dije que en inglés, pero bueno, no importa. Bueno, vamos aquí al radar. Vamos aquí a monitorear las tormentas de nuevo. Bueno, miren, ya se acaba de expandir la alerta de tormentas severas. De tormenta severa, Severe Thunderstorm Warning, pero ya para el condado de Cameron. Cubre todo el condado de Cameron, parte del condado de Hidalgo, y ya afecta a las ciudades de Primera, Santa Rosa, La Feria, San Benito, Lago, Olmito, Rancho Viejo, Los Fresnos, Laureles, India Lake, Río Hondo, Bayview, Laguna Vista, Laguna Heights, Port Isabel, South Padre Island, Cameron Park, South Point, South Most, Villa Pancho, Downtown Brownsville, San Pedro, La Paloma, Los Indios, Rangerville, El Camino, Harlingen. Ya esta tormenta ya se aproxima a Brownsville, incluyendo las ciudades mexicanas, bueno, las ciudades fronterizas, Matamoros, Poblado Anáhuac, Empalme, la playa Bagdad. Así que cuidado. Esta tormenta contiene vientos muy fuertes de 70 millas, equivalentes a 110 kilómetros por hora, y se espera que esta tormenta llegue a las 1:30 de la tarde. Y pues como podemos ver, la otra línea de tormentas que está en McAllen, el aviso por tormenta severa no se ha actualizado, sin embargo ya no tardan en actualizarse. Se espera que se expanda a McAllen en un futuro, en Mission, en Far, en La Joya, Sullivan City, Cuevitas, Los Ébanos, Havana, Penitas, en Palmview, en San Juan, Parford, Alton y Citrus City, y en Edinburgh. Bueno, ya está. Y en las ciudades fronterizas sería Reynosa, Río Bravo, Nuevo Progreso, Miguel Alemán, Camargo, Río Grande City, Nueva Ciudad Guerrero, poblado Baladeces, poblado Los Guerra. Así que tengan cuidado porque estas tormentas contienen vientos fuertes, no granizo. Bueno, sin embargo no se descarta granizo aislado, pero es más viento. Así que los dejo, que estén bien, saludos. De nuevo, Frankie, a ver, déjame te presento.
Ok, entonces vamos a grabar la de Puerto Mansfield porque pues se está poniendo más fuerte.
Ah, bueno, en Port Mansfield se mira más fuerte, ¿verdad? Los vientos.
Sí, hasta 80 millas por hora en Puerto Mansfield.
Sí, es
También
que
en San
aquí sí está fuerte, sí está fuerte. Bueno, ya está. Este video va para el canal. Que estén bien, saludos.
Saludos.
The National Weather Service in Brownsville has issued a tornado warning for central Cameron County in deep South Texas until 1:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:09 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located near Arroyo City, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Laurel and Palmer Law School Elementary around 1:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Los Fresnos High School around 1:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Holly Beach around 1:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Laguna Vista Police Department around 1:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Del Mar Heights, Los Yescas Elementary School, Latina, Bayview, Los Yescas, Monte Grande, and Port Isabel, Laguna Heights. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Good afternoon, guys. We're giving you an update right now as of 1:16 in the afternoon. There is a tornado warning in effect for parts of northwestern Port Isabel into Los Fresnos. You see those cities right there? You are really close to tornado warning. But this is looking more towards Bayview. So this is a tornado warning issued for southeastern Cameron County. And it's in effect until at least 1:40, 45 p.m. And this is suggesting straight line winds. Look at this very closely, guys. That is an extreme wind up to 100 and from a range from 110 to 120. That's a significant wind, maybe even extreme. No doubt about it. If you are in Bayview, please take cover now. Please take cover now because this is heading your way. Oriole Gardens, you're dealing with a severe wind. Worry about the one in blue and to the purple. That is over 100 miles of gust, as strong as an EF2 or EF3 tornado. So as it moves towards the Bayview, Laguna Vista will weaken, but still, this is moving towards the south and southeast into Bayview. Bayview, please take cover now. This is already about to impact you. Same thing goes with Los Fresnos with the severe wind. That goes with Brownsville too. Brownsville, you are just under the gun for the winds. So this is looking bad now. And it's a very monstrous supercell capable of producing at least some 100 miles per hour winds in isolated areas. As you can see, that's a very strong hook echo that we're experiencing right now. The hook is about to go into Bayview. You're already in danger, Bayview. So you should be in your safe place right now. No need to be outside. You have to be in your safe place. Go to a sturdy building. If you're in a mobile home, get into a vehicle. It will, of course, protect you from those 120 miles per hour wind gusts, but go to a place where it protects you. This is a significant wind. Also, elsewhere across the valley, there is some rain falling with that bow echo, and all of this is contributed. Let's check the echo tops real quick, just to make sure we're giving what I'm talking about. And it's already developing. Pretty much on the calendar, we're not going to get a lot of lightning, a lot of storms, but these are all moving towards the south. So we're all probably going to miss on the severe part. So this is moving to the south. So expect a little bit of lightning, but still, this is a significant storm. Now the warning has gotten even smaller as it gets into Bayview town, into Bayview. So there's Harlingen, you're in the east part of the tornado, but you're not right into the tornado warning as we speak. Laguna Vista, you're in the tornado warning. South Padre, you're so close. Look at you, you're so close to this tornado warning. Port Isabel, you have to pay attention. That area right over here, pay attention now, because this is producing a lot of winds. And we're going to velocity one more time. This is real winds. This ain't playing around. This is real winds. And Bayview, you're so close to that extreme wind. Same thing goes with Del Mar Heights, Laguna Vista, Port Isabel. All of those you are in this serious wind threat right now as it moves towards the south and southeast. Worried about Laguna Vista and Bayview, you are in this core right here. And look at how many miles you are right now. This is updated at least 2 minutes, and you're only 2 miles away from the extreme wind, causing damage. So this is causing damage with this hook echo. This is causing damage. Okay, we haven't seen anything like this for a long time again. But don't remember when. This is an area where we are most likely not seeing those. But this is where you have to prepare seriously. You have to prepare. Bayview, please take cover now. You're really close to it. Please take cover now. So elsewhere across the valley, the front has been pushed through. We can hear some thunder and lightning, a little bit, but that's about to change. So these may look moving to the north, but they're contributing and building behind the front, contributing to a supercellular storm. Echo tops, there's nothing bad here, but still, this is a significant bow echo. And I have to repeat it one more time because maybe you are in the threat. I have to stay with you. This is easy 100 miles an hour wind gust up to 110. So that might have weakened a little bit. 100 miles an hour wind gust is still a significant wind as it heads into Bayview. Take cover now. No time left. You have to be in a safe place. It's probably hitting around right here. So I'm going to switch to Alan Silva for more information. Dale.
Hola, muy buenas tardes, aquí con una nueva actualización del tiempo severo que se está presentando aquí en el Valle de Texas y en el norte de Tamaulipas. Una pequeña actualización, aquí podemos ver en el radar. Nuevamente aquí nos encontramos con nuestro amigo FrankyShow64.
Sí. Hola.
A ver, déjame. Ahí está, saludan.
Hola.
Ok. Bueno, continuamos con el radar. Bueno, ya se acaba de actualizar, bueno, la tormenta tormenta severa en Brownsville, que incluye también la ciudad fronteriza de Matamoros, Tamaulipas. Bueno, se acaba de emitir otra alerta por tormenta severa en este momento, como pueden escuchar. Yo creo que es para Brownsville nuevamente. Se sigue Bueno, se sigue presentando vientos de 70 millas por hora. Aquí me está diciendo en Harlingen. Solamente vientos de 70 millas por hora. Pues equivalente a unos 110 kilómetros por hora. Bueno, continuamos porque ahí, no sé, interrumpí un poquito el radio. Bueno, esto aquí es muy importante aquí en Bayview, en Laguna Vista, en Laguna Heights, Port Isabel. Están bajo una alerta de tornado. Están por un aviso de tornado. Se emitió un aviso por tornado en Bayview. Y aquí se están presentando vientos de micro ráfagas. Se están presentando en estos momentos aquí en Bayview. Vientos equivalentes a un tornado F1, F0. Y posiblemente puede desarrollarse un tornado aquí en Bayview. Así que mucho cuidado ahí. Se están presentando vientos de 90 millas por hora o 100 millas por hora. Vientos muy, muy intensos. Así que tengan cuidado. Tengan cuidado ahí porque sí está muy feo ahí. Bueno, sin embargo, la extensa línea de tormentas ya sigue avanzando en todo el condado de Cameron. Ya se espera que afecte en Brownsville ya a las 2 de la tarde. Ya no tarda en llegar en Brownsville. No se espera tanta lluvia, pero lo que es el peligro, es el viento. Aquí el viento reportaron 60 millas en el aeropuerto de Harlingen, equivalente a 95 kilómetros por hora. En Río Hondo también, en Villa del Sol, en La Sana, en Combs, Primera, Paul Valley, en La Feria. Ahí se reportaron vientos muy fuertes, pero lo más intenso es en la zona costera de Texas. Ahí está lo más intenso. A ver, déjenme checar las alertas. Bueno, aquí me acaba de llegar un reporte que se reportaron 50 nudos de viento. Y sí. Bueno, continuamos. Aquí en la zona costera lo más fuerte que se está presentando, lo más intenso, son los vientos que sí pueden equivaler a 80 a 90 millas por hora. Aquí en Bayview son de 100 millas por hora, así que cuidado. Es muy probable que sí se desarrolle un tornado o los vientos sí están muy fuertes, muy pero muy fuertes. Así que cuidado, cuidado, cuidado. Así que pues no descartamos un tornado warning en Brownsville de repente, pero pues lo más intenso está en Bayview, en la zona costera. Así que nos vemos, nos despedimos con una nueva actualización probablemente, así que nos vemos. Mira cómo está. Así ya se está viendo hacia el norte, es la vista hacia el norte. Estoy aquí en el centro de Matamoros y mira cómo se está viendo, bien fuerte. Esto viene con todo. A ver, déjenme me subo. Así, mira. Viene la tormenta. Vista hacia el sur. Esto es la vista hacia el sur. Está fuerte el aire.
very strong wind on Matamoros, Mexico. Oh, it's a lake straight.